Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So given this table here, you're told that y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, so copy and complete this table. Fill in the blanks here. So remember, when you're told that y is inversely proportional to x, three things you have to visualize inside your mind. So when you get given this inside your mind, visualize this y x here. When you're told that y is inversely proportional to x, inside your mind, visualize that if you increase y, if y gets bigger, then x will get smaller. If you decrease y, then x will get bigger. Okay, it's that kind of a relationship. So when you get given this, visualize this inside your mind, and also visualize the graph. So here you've got y here, x here, and the graph is going to be what's called a reciprocal graph. So when x here, when x here is really big, let's say up here, then this bit here, y here will be really small, just this bit here. If x is really small here, so y here will be really big. This y here will be really big. Okay, so when you get given this here, visualize that this is what's going on here, and then also visualize the graph here. And the minute you get given this here, you can visualize y equals a constant k over x. And here, to fill in this table here, you've got to work out the value of k. And once you've got this value of k here, then you can just work out all these here. Okay. Well, do whatever you want. Fill in the table. Okay. So here you're told that y is inversely proportional to x. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, so the minute we get given this here, we could jump to y equals k over x, and it's a matter of working out k. So find out a point. So remember, when we get given this here, we can just visualize this graph here. Okay, so you know your graph is going to look roughly like this. This is y, this is x, and then you need one point on that graph in order to work out the value of k here. Let's take this point here. The x is 6. I'm just going to guess around here. X is 6. Y is 5 here. So this is 5. So take any point on that line to work out k. So at this point here, okay, put the 6 into the x. So it will be like this. 6 goes into the x. The y value, which is 5 here, goes into the y here. So 5 is here. And then it's just a matter of working out k. Times both sides by 6. So hang on. Times both sides by 6. So this will be 30 equals k. Okay. So our graph, hang on, let me just move on. Our graph here would look like this. Y equals 30 over k. Okay. Sorry. It would be k is 30. Sorry, I made a silly mistake there. So our graph, remember, k is 30. So we put the 30 into the k. So it would be 30 over x. Okay. So here. So this is our graph, our equation. Once we've got our equation, we can just work out all these blanks here. So now put 2 into the x here. Okay, so y here will be 30 over 2, because when x is 2, you put 2 into the x here to work out y. So it will be 15. Okay, so this will be 15. And then if you want to know this bit here, put this into the x. Where's the x? X is here. So it will be so y equals 30 over 3. So 30 over 3 will give you y, which is 10. So this here is 10. And then if you get here, you're given the value of y. So you put this into the y here. So this will be 2 equals 30 over x. And you see this blank here is x. You want to work out x. So what you do, you times both sides by x. So it will be this. 2x equals 30, and then you divide both sides by 2, so x equals 30 over 2, which is 15. So this bit here will be 15. Okay, so hang on. So your answer should look something like this. Okay, and then if you try and plot this graph here, hang on, let me just move this graph. So here, if you try and plot all the points, hang on. So here, all the points here. So if you try and plot this, when x is 2, let's say, remember that this here is 10, so this here must be 5. So 2 is probably around here. So when x is 2, y will be 15. Okay, so I'm going to guess around here. When x is 3, y is 10. So when x is 3, remember 5 is here, okay? When x is 3, I'm going to guess 3 to be around here. Y will be 10. Okay. When x is 6, y is 5. So when x is 6, y is 5, somewhere around here. Okay. This is slightly out. Hang on. Around here, more like. Okay. So when x is 10 here, so this here is 10. Y is 3. So when x is 10, y is 3. I'm going to guess 3 to be around here. When x is 15, y is 2. So 15 is here, y is 2 around here. Okay. When x is 30, when x is 30, y is 1. So when x is 30, y is 1, probably around here. Okay. So your graph actually looks like that reciprocal graph. So it looks like something like this. So this is why whenever you have whenever you're told y is inversely proportional to x, then you can visualize it like this. So you see this graph here looks like this. Okay, it's just drawn badly, but it is a curve. It is in a form of y equals 1 over x. It's in this form here. In a section on graphs in one of my earlier playlists, when you try and graph 1 over x, it looks like this. You see, well, your graph will look something like that. Okay.